Welcome to the Pharmaceutical Career Orientation course. My name is Zahra Hassan. I came to you from the industry. I have more than 10 years of experience in the pharma industry, distributed among regulatory affairs, quality, and pharmacovigilance as well. This is in addition to some of the postgraduate degrees that I have did in most of these fields. As I have 3 master degrees, I started my first one with the pharmacology and toxicology, and then I decided to make my MBA as long as I decided to step in the pharma industry. And my third one is in very interesting and relatively new career in the pharma industry, which is called the Pharmacovigilance. And currently, I'm a PhD student in the same field. This is in addition to my membership in the RAP Society of the US for the regulatory affairs. I believe that in order to be an expert in such a career, you need to combine both knowledge, education, plus practice. What makes my course unique, it's come from practice. It came from the pharma industry, it came from what we are doing every day in our daily work, it came from what employers are looking for during recruitment. So let's start with congratulations for you. Either if you are a fresh graduate or if you are already in the profession for a while looking for the career shift. So you are in the right place to start your successful career journey. You deserve the best. So let's explore together what are the best options out of you, and let's start our successful journey towards your fantastic career pathway. How this course is structured and what we are covering. First, we're going to explore what are the major pharmaceutical sectors, and actually they are 4, either the academic or the clinical and community pharmacist or the industrial pharmacist. However, I personally prefer or highly recommend the field of industrial pharmacy, and this is, you'll know why when we go deeper later on in the course. What are options of the pharma career available for you, and what are the duties and responsibilities of each of them, and then how to go there with the required qualification and skills for each one of them. And then we have a deep dive in the industrial pharmacy, because industrial pharmacy I really highly recommend it personally, because the field of industrial pharmacy is great, it's huge, it's dynamic. From time to time there are new emerging jobs coming to the surface. That's why if you're going to compare the industrial pharmacy nowadays with like 10 years before, you're going to find great differences, huge differences, and new jobs bob up which have never been before. That's why it is like a pool opportunities. And then we're going to talk about what I personally call the 3 winning players of the industrial pharmacy, and those also are relatively new. So there is a great chance for you to grab any one of these. And then we're going to talk about how to find your passion. We're going to do like small psychological tests, and this test you're going to discover your personality, because it's not all about the skills, qualifications, it's also about your personality, about how you can fit there. So by the end of this course, you will be an expert about what are the career options available for you, and what are the best out of these options, and which option is the best for you to start with or to take it forever as a long-term career. You will know also what are the progression of each of these options, so you know your goal and you can go there straight forward with the required skills and qualifications which are already listed for you. I can't wait to see you in my course, and good luck for all of you.